All right, welcome back to number 5 of this Leaning Tower of Pisa micro Lego build. So last time we left off with finishing up the little grounds in the back building. So now we're going to start the actual tower part of this. So I got pieces laid out for some steps right here. I'm gonna get that piece put together and I'll be right back. All right. I don't know how much of that y'all actually sat through and watched, but man, I struggled in the beginning to get that little bitty piece set up for the center, that very bottom layer. Son, I struggled bad. But anyway, that's it's only half of it. So I'm gonna get the pieces set up, everything ready to go, and get the other half of it put together, and then I'll be right back. All right, I got the pieces together. 5 more steps, bunch of one big section and a bunch of little ones. So let me get that put together and I'll show you the finished product of this video. Well, there you have it, folks. This one level of the tower is done. So, like I said in the video before, and I think maybe in the beginning of this one, it's kind of gonna be rinse and repeat the next couple of steps. It's kind of the same thing, just going tower level for level for level for level. So, I hate to do it, but it's too much to do in one video. Too much to do at one time. Hurts my fingers. Them little tiny Legos hurt. But anyway, we'll be doing another deck and another layer in the next video. So y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all watching. See y'all on the next one.